What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your controller dead zone on Battlefield 6. If you wanna decrease your dead zones and adjust them, here's how you can do it. From the main screen, press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to move out to settings. Then go across to controller. Under the controller menu, scroll down and press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox to open edit settings. In this menu, scroll past the controller schemes all the way down to the section called Other. At the very bottom, you will see controller tuning. Go ahead and select that. This is where you will finally find the options for your left stick dead zone and right stick dead zone. You can set both of these to 0 if you want the most responsive movement and aiming. Below that, you will see the L2 and R2 or LT and RT trigger dead zones. These are set to 0 by default, and you can also choose to enable gyro here if you want to use motion controls. Once you have set everything to 0, you should be good to go. It's a bit complicated to get to this menu the first time, but once you know the path, it's easy to adjust. Hopefully this video did help you out, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.